So starting off here, we have a kernel seed from corn. The inside is an embryo, starch endosperm, and an allorone, and a pericarp. Now we're going to go into the genes. So Y1 is needed to create the pigment that colors the starchy endosperm yellow. The intensity of the yellow depends on how many Y1 alleles are present. For example, if I get the intensest yellow there, it shows that it's because it's dominant. And the next following combinations of the recessive and the dominant gene, it becomes a little bit paler, not as intense as the first one. Then the third one down is a lot paler because there's a combination. And then the last one is just the recessive, so it's pretty much just pale yellow. So now we're moving on to R1 and C1. Both genes are dominant. Both are needed to make the allorone color pigment. And therefore, the other one is PR1, which affects color of the pigment. PR1 is normally the dominant, which is purple, and then PR1 lowercase, both of them, are recessive, and it'll turn red. Here, because PR1 is dominant, in this one, on the top one, it's purple. On the second one, because PR still is dominant, it's red. Is purple. And the last one, because both of them are still are lowercase, it turns red. Therefore, it's recessive, and the pigment will shine through the allorone and through the pericarp because it bleeds through. Now, for C1, both pigments are needed to make, again, the color of what it's needed. Because it has a combination of the capital Y1 that's just dominant, and it has for the first one. And then the second one, because it has all recessive Y1s, it's pale, almost white. And then the last one right here is a combination of the dominant and recessive gene. Now if we take these both together, you'll notice there's a commonality. Next, we're going into transposons, which is known for being the jumping bean. Right here, you can look at the picture. It's very interesting. So transposons are a sequence of DNA that can change its position. In corn, they interfere with pigment production, creating abnormal color patterns. Thank you for listening to our little presentation.